do I need flood insurance?
Almost every person that comes into our office is focused on what a policy covers. I find one of the more useful tools when evaluating a policy is to look for exclusions. Well, let me tell you one exclusion that is nearly universal on every property policy we sell and every other agent sells is an exclusion for flood events. Now, people will use the term flood colloquially. They will say, oh, a pipe froze in my wall over the winter, and then as it thawed out, it flooded my basement. We're not going to consider that a flood. That's water from within your plumbing system. That's usually covered under most homeowners policies. However, what is not covered is what is going to meet the federal definition of flood, which is simply this: 2 or more acres of normally dry land inundated from water from any source. Yeah, that's any source. It could be falling from the sky, it could be a rising river, it could be a broken water main, or it could be 2 or more adjacent properties. So we maybe don't have to have 2 acres of flooding. We might be able to have your property where your house is and the neighbor, or your house and the street right in front of your house might be inundated with this water. If we meet that definition and that water gets into your home, there's very little coverage under most homeowners policies. So you may want to look for flood insurance. Our agency can help you in a variety of different ways. We are representatives of the NFIP, or the National Flood Insurance Program. We have access to difference in conditions policies, which can pick up some of the exposures created by flood. We have access to private flood insurance markets. And we have several carriers that have actually created what we are calling inland flood endorsements. These are typically not endorsements or coverages available for people in super high hazard flood zones. The NFIP, or National Flood Insurance Program, is probably your best bet there. But these are for the people with moderate to low risk, but still understand there are limitations in the homeowner's policy and may want to be protected. Many times we can add these inland flood endorsements for as little as a couple $100s a year. If you have questions about it, let us know. But if you're concerned about flooding, don't wait, because flood insurance has a waiting period. You can buy it today, but if you see the rain clouds blowing in tonight, it's not going to be in force in time to provide you any protection. Typically, you want to plan for at least 30 days ahead of time. Thank you so much, and I'm hoping you don't flood.